This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a store. First, make sure your Apple device, like an iPhone or Apple Watch, is compatible with this convenient payment method. Then, open your Wallet app and easily add your preferred credit or debit cards. It's a quick process that sets you up for seamless transactions. Always look for the contactless payment symbol, which resembles 4 curved lines, at the checkout counter to confirm acceptance. When you're ready to pay with your iPhone, simply double-click the side button on newer models or the home button on older ones. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security. Once authenticated, hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless reader. You'll see a Done message and a check mark on your screen, confirming your purchase is complete. For those using an Apple Watch, the process is just as straightforward. Begin by double-clicking the side button on your watch. This action will bring up your default payment card. If you wish to use a different card, simply swipe to select it. Then, hold the face of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader. You'll feel a gentle tap on your wrist and hear a subtle beep indicating a successful transaction. If you encounter any issues, first confirm that the store accepts contactless payments by looking for the symbol. Ensure your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled, though it's usually on by default for Apple Pay. Keep your device steady and close to the reader for a few seconds. Also, double-check your default card in the Wallet app to make sure the correct one is selected for quick payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.